Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up text replacement shortcuts on iPhones. First, open Settings on your smartphone, then let's go to General menu, and in General menu, find and open Keyboard. In Keyboard, go to Text Replacement menu, then to add a new text replacement, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen, then enter the phrase in the top row, and enter the shortcut at the bottom. Then tap Done, and then whenever you want to use the shortcut, just open any text field and enter your shortcut, the one that you entered, and tap on the text field. And this way you will replace your shortcut with the preset text replacement. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.